It was nothing but a targeted hate crime. It should be understood like that, it should be recognized like that, and those who have done this should be held accountable for a targeted hate crime, and targeted hate crimes take place in a certain environment. We also need to reflect, speak out against those who are creating the atmosphere where a targeted hate crime is committed. Over and over again, Junaid's death and murder is one in a long line of targeted hate crimes in India now. Right now it's not as though there is a gap in the law or that there are not enough laws to actually hold these men accountable. After all, what they did in the train was to form an unlawful assembly. When an unlawful assembly is formed, regardless of who actually gives the stab wound, everybody who is a member of the unlawful assembly shares the common intention to commit that crime, and therefore all of them can be held responsible even under the present law. At the same time, I would like to point out that there has been, for the last over 10 years, since 2004, an effort on the part of many of us to introduce in the Indian Penal Code a crime which looks at targeted violence, where communities or individuals are targeted on account of their identity. And it is that which is missing, because otherwise it becomes like, just a murder. This murder is not over a seat. These murders are not taking place because somebody does not have documents to ferry cattle from one place to the other. These are targeted because of the identity and the origins of that person.